Hi everyone, so we're going to do another example where the array is already set up for us, and then we just need to call the information. So let's set up a variable right here. I made a new example3.js file, and I'm going to call this var food is equal to the array, but inside this array I'm already going to set up some information. So I could write it all in the same line, or I could just open it up like this. And then inside here, I'll put hot dog and then a comma. The comma denotes that we have something more to add. And then we're going to add salad, comma at the end. And then we'll say chips. And make sure this is in quotes because this is a string. And that's all I'll add to this array here. You can see that we have a variable, whatever we want to call it, is equal to these square brackets. The opening and closing square brackets, just saying that we have some information we want to add here. And we have this thing called hot dog here, which is a string. And then at the end of this, we have a comma because it's just like in the English language where we have commas to denote that we have more things we want to add on. And then after this, we have another string, let's say salad. And then we have a comma after this saying that we have more things to add. And then the last thing I'm going to add is chips. And we don't have to add a comma at the end of this because it's basically the end of it. And what we can do is we can just call this array out. So we can just do console.log, let's say food. And this should call out the entire array. So let's do node example3.js. And you can see here that we have that entire array that we have set up. But if we want to, let's say, call an individual item in the array, we can do food, and then we can denote whatever position we want to actually grab the information from. So let's say we want to grab a salad. Since arrays always start at position 0, so hot dog will be position 0, salad will be position 1, and chips will be position 2. So let's say I want to grab the word salad, so this is position 1, so we should just add 1 in these square brackets right here after food. Save it, and let's run it. So you can see here that we actually get that individual word salad that we have set up within the array. So this is how you grab an individual item within the array. But let's say we want to actually maybe grab the letter L in salad, so not the entire word, but we just want that L. So we can do console.log food, let's say position 1 for salad, but then we need to grab the individual letter as well, so it'll be 0, then 1, then 2, which is the L, and then another array afterwards, and then 2 right there. So we're still keeping the 1 here because we're saying grab the word salad, but here the next thing is we need to grab the second position in salad. So 0 is S, A is 1, and L is 2. So that's why we have position 1 and then position 2 after that. So let's run this right now. And there we go. We get that letter L right here in the terminal. So that's how you grab the individual words or letters.